In this video, I'll show you how to buy Telegram Premium. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if for any reasons you'd love to purchase the premium on Telegram, what we're going to do right now, head over to your Telegram, right? Click on this. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to click on this settings, right? If you click on the settings, you're going to scroll down gradually, and right here you can see the premium, right? Click on the premium. And you can see right here, just going for I think $2.4 every month, right? And you can run this annually, just $28. So this is the monthly one, this 3.99 estimate of $4, right? To get the premium. So this is how you can get the premium. Once you click on it, you'd be asked to fill in some required details, right? So this is basically a tutorial video, so I don't think I'm gonna be showing all this, right? So if you found this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.